Well, morning. It seems like I can't get away from that nightmare called wiring. I'm gonna put strobe light on this Kenworth. Plus I gotta mount work lights here on the outside edge so they get something to work with on the outside. It's pretty much gonna be the same thing with the Peterbilt when we get it back. That's still in the shop for I think it's a pressure relief valve on the high pressure fuel pump on that Packard motor. So I don't know, but this thing here, if you notice, kind of hangs out. This suction cup is, well, magnet is not on it. The base of this is a little wide, so I'm thinking about trimming these right off, because there is a little hole right here. Now it's focusing in on it or not, but there's a little hole there and right there, right here. So trimming these off, that'll pull it back, set it flush against the back of the headboard here. Something like, give me a second here. Maybe back. Oh, that's pretty close. Something like that. But I'll move it in just a little bit so pallets don't hit it or anything. Excuse me. Don't mind me, I got the hiccups from breakfast. Drill it here. Yes, this will stick out beyond this a little bit. Not that much. Then I got the joyous task of this headache. We'll literally tear this thing apart and then mount this piece in the dash. Can I call out sick? Oh, never mind. That's going to be like the videos have been flooding the social media pages lately. I'm just, as I said, I try not to bring politics into this whole, onto my page, but my Facebook and YouTube has been nothing but flooded. I know yours is probably as well. Been flooded with these people just having a meltdown because Harris didn't win. She didn't win, she didn't win. It's the American people spoke. So I'm not gonna say who I voted for at all. It doesn't matter if you voted red or blue. The election's done and over. There's no need to be whining about it and saying I'm gonna call in sick to work, or what's that next one? What's the other thing I've heard them say? Something about was it B4? Something about wives, not women, not men, for the next 4 years. Come on, grow up, okay? I'm a Gen X. So what? Big deal. The one you wanted to win didn't win. Just let it go. I want to apologize too if I seem irritable on video. I'm gonna try to keep it to a minimum, but didn't sleep much last night. At approximately 8 o'clock, I say right around 8 o'clock last night, my stepson had an accident, totaled his truck. No other vehicle was involved. I don't know the details of it quite yet, because again, he's my stepson, so I'm not really, they don't disclose anything. But the good news is, I just called the hospital this morning to try to get an update on him. He was discharged last night, so his injuries aren't that severe. But he's still gonna be sore. Let's try this again. Morning, but it's afternoon. SD card decided to, I'll do it again for you. Left the chat. I've been working on it, steadily working on this morning. Project today was to get strobe lights and work lights on there. You see I got the strobe light on already, and the work lights I'm starting on right now. And I probably had quite a bit recorded, plus loading customers. And I went to hit record again, and all of a sudden I just said SD card error. So I couldn't do nothing about it. Then I turned the GoPro off, turned it back on. It said SD card error, and then I went into a self format. So whatever I had recorded is gone. My apologies, but again, I got one on. I'm gonna start working on the other side. Then I gotta get into the dash, find out where the wire is for the work lights in the dash. Run these two together, these two work lights. I got another one right here. Another one right here. Wire them together. Then I'm gonna run it right down with the strobe light wiring and into the cab. Man, with this just being a plain Jane model, I don't want to see what a fully loaded edition looks like. Yeah, it's been one of those days. They're all on. They're all working. I'll show you. So yeah, let's see what else I can give you today, because then I lost over 3/4 of the video for today. Well, it's been windy all day long, and of course while I was in the shop, never bothered me, so I got out. Took a piece of plywood to the side of the truck, all the way down here over, creased it right here. See what goes on from that.